Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. You're probably wondering what I'm up to today. I'm wondering myself what I'm up to today. I went to mow the yard and the mower of course broke down once again. So don't ever buy a Cub Cadet mower, of course. They are absolute junk. They're made by MTD and that's a whole nother story in itself. We won't go into that right now. Right there's the piece of crap there. But in the meantime, while I'm waiting for some new parts to come in the mail for the mower, since I broke the one cable for the blade engagement and a bunch of other springs I noticed underneath, I think are all stretched out. The mower is about 9 years old. Just put new front tires on last year and they were a real treat to put on. If you ever put small riding mower tires on the rims, it's a really interesting treat. But I do have the back tires are original to this tractor, and it slips a lot if it's just the slightest bit of dew on the grass or anything like that. It really slip. They get that coating, I guess, from the old grass coating or whatever on it. Makes them, I don't know, some people say they're probably dry rotted, and they probably are, you know, near their end of life, but have plenty of tread left. They just slip inside. What I'm planning on doing is, there's a little tip for you, but I have all this shoe goo here that I ordered off Amazon. I bought a pack, four tubes of shoe goo in black. You can still get it in the clear. That's what they made in the 80s. Because I got to think about it, I'm like, I'm slipping and sliding. My brother used to use shoe goo on RC car tires back in the day, in the late 80s, early 90s. And it worked awesome on rubber and just worked great. So I thought, I looked up on Amazon and here they do sell black now. They didn't have black in the 80s, I don't think. You just got shoe goo in clear. This stuff, if you're not familiar with it, is freaking awesome stuff. So while the mower's down, I'm gonna put some on the back tires here. I did start putting some on this back tire because the pack says it needs like 24 hours to cure. See if I can find some of my strips here. Right here it starts. Right here you can see I was doing like every fourth tread block I put this stuff on the shoe goo. And I tell you what, it really works well for traction to dig in. I just got to finish. I need to finish, and I've just been doing like foot sections at a time and working my way around because it needs time to dry and I don't want to get it all over the garage floor. So we'll start on this tire here. I'll show you what I've been doing here. Just remove anything loose debris or crumbs or whatever, grass crumbs on your tire. Like I said, I was doing, just run a bead across. I think this is about shot this tube here. And it does have the spike on the end. I didn't notice that on the first tube to open it up, so you don't need to run and get a toothpick or something. What I do is just run a nice fat bead across there and build it up. It will take, it says up to 24 hours to dry, but this stuff does not come off. I even did some pretty aggressive turnarounds on the road to turn my mower around, and it doesn't seem like it was going to tear off or anything like that. But see how it does start to drip a little bit, so you got to kind of work just small sections at a time. And then just kind of bring it up so it doesn't drip all over the place. But I know at least black, it doesn't look so tacky. It doesn't look so obvious of a crappy like repair or something if it was in a white or clear. I think clear would probably stand out more, so the black here, once I mowed, you couldn't even really see it. But it definitely adds to the traction, because I got plenty of tread left on this tire. It's just you get that weird smooth coating on there. All right, so I thought I'd share that with everybody. It works really well, so hopefully it helps somebody else out there who doesn't feel like spending the money, because these tires, I think it's like 150 bucks or more for the pair. It's something crazy. They're really expensive. And there's, like I said, there's really nothing wrong with the tire. It's just you lose a lot of grip and traction trying to get going on I have some hills here at the house. So anyway, hope you guys like that. Sorry it wasn't diecast related. If you like this type of video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I have all types of videos on my channel, not just diecast related. And I will see you guys later. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications if I didn't say it already. All right, see you guys later. All right, bye now. First, what we're gonna need is a trim tool to get behind here and pop this whole unit out. Here's the bulbs. These are off Amazon. I think it was like $20 or 24 hours of free shipping. I'll put the link down below. I am now an Amazon affiliate member, so that should be pretty cool. So I think they're H8s. I don't remember them being H8s, but apparently that's what they are. This does look correct, the H shape there. That's what they look like. So the ones that were on here, they were pathetic. They didn't really do anything, essentially. I mean, they almost act like more like a daytime running lamp. They were pretty pathetic. All right, so let me get a trim tool here and we'll get started.